Introduction to MongoDB for developers. MongoDB is a popular and versatile NoSQL database that is well suited for developers working on a wide range of applications. MongoDB stands out from traditional relational databases by offering a document-oriented, schema-less data model, making it a valuable choice for developers. Installation and setup. Choose your platform. MongoDB supports a variety of platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and various Linux distributions. Installation on Windows. Double-click the downloaded.mc file to launch the installer. CRUD operations. CRUD operations, which stand for Create, Read, Update, and Delete, are fundamental database operations that allow you to interact with data in MongoDB. Create, insert, inserting documents. To create new data in MongoDB, you use the insert operation. Read, query, querying documents. To retrieve data from MongoDB, you use the find operation. Update, modifying documents. To update existing data, you use the update operation. Delete, removing documents. To delete data, you use the remove operation. Data modeling. Data modeling in MongoDB is the process of designing the structure of your data, specifying the relationships between different pieces of data, and organizing it within collections and documents. Querying data. Querying data in MongoDB is a fundamental task that allows you to retrieve specific documents from collections based on your search criteria. MongoDB provides a flexible and powerful query language that enables you to filter, sort, and project data to meet your application's requirements. Indexing. Indexing in MongoDB is a crucial performance optimization technique that allows you to speed up data retrieval operations and improve query performance. By creating indexes on specific fields within your collections, MongoDB can efficiently locate and return the data you request. Aggregation framework. MongoDB's aggregation framework is a powerful feature that allows you to process, transform, and analyze data within your MongoDB collections. It provides a flexible and expressive way to perform complex data operations, similar to SQL's group by, join, and SQL-like operations. Data security. Data security is a critical aspect of any application or system, and MongoDB provides several features and best practices to help you secure your data effectively. Authentication. MongoDB supports various authentication mechanisms, including username and password, X509 certificates, and LDAP integration. Encrypt data at rest using built-in features like Wired Tiger storage engine encryption or use third-party tools and solutions for additional security. Scaling. MongoDB supports horizontal scaling through sharding. In sharding, data is distributed across multiple servers or clusters, known as shards. Vertical scaling, often referred to as replica sets, involves adding more resources to a single MongoDB server to improve performance. High availability. To further enhance high availability, you can deploy replica sets across multiple data centers or cloud regions. This setup ensures that your data remains accessible even if one data center experiences an outage. Drivers and SDKs. MongoDB offers official drivers and software development kits, SDKs, for various programming languages, making it easy for developers to interact with MongoDB databases in their preferred programming environment. Deployment and operations. When configuring MongoDB, consider version compatibility and deployment topology for your application's scalability and availability needs. Implement security measures and establish data backup procedures to protect your data. Conclusion. In conclusion, MongoDB is a versatile and popular NoSQL database system that offers many features and capabilities for developers and organizations. Whether you're building web applications, mobile apps, or data-intensive solutions, MongoDB offers the flexibility and scalability needed to meet your data storage and retrieval needs.